Title: The Wacky Adventures of the Jungle Pals. Characters: Benny the monkey, a mischievous and curious monkey who loves to explore. Tina the tortoise, slow but wise. Tina often provides clever solutions to the group's problems. Rocky the rhino, strong and brave. Rocky always charges ahead to help his friends. Polly the parrot, colorful and talkative. Polly often mimics others and provides comic relief. Eddie the elephant, gentle and kind. Eddie's size and strength are a big help on their adventures. Setting: the vibrant and bustling jungle of Giggles, where the trees are tall, the rivers are clear, and every day is filled with fun and excitement. Story outline: The Wacky Adventures of the Jungle Pals. Chapter 1: The Great Banana Heist. One sunny morning, Benny the monkey woke up to find his stash of bananas missing. Panicked and hungry, he rushed to his friends for help. Tina, Rocky, Polly, and Eddie agreed to help him find the missing bananas. Using Polly's sharp eyes and Eddie's keen sense of smell, they followed a trail of banana peels leading deeper into the jungle. Chapter 2: The Muddy Mystery. The trail led them to a muddy riverbank, where they found footprints of different jungle animals. Tina, with her wisdom, suggested they split up to cover more ground. Rocky charged through the mud, getting himself hilariously stuck, while Polly flew overhead mimicking Rocky's frustrated snorts. Benny and Eddie used their combined agility and strength to pull Rocky out, all while laughing at the messy situation. Chapter 3: The Sneaky Snake. Their investigation led them to a clearing where they found Slinky the snake, slyly trying to hide the bananas. Benny, with his quick thinking, challenged Slinky to a race, knowing the snake couldn't resist showing off. As Slinky slithered away, Benny quickly grabbed the bananas. Polly, enjoying the chase, squawked, "Slinky, you are too slow," making everyone laugh. Chapter 4: The Jungle Concert. With the bananas retrieved, the Jungle Pals decided to celebrate with a concert. Polly's mimicking skills came in handy as she performed impressions of all their friends, causing uproarious laughter. Eddie used his trunk as a trumpet, while Benny played drums on hollow logs, and Rocky's stomps kept the rhythm. Even Tina joined in with a slow, but steady dance. Chapter 5: The High-Flying Adventure. One day, Polly discovered a mysterious map tucked away in an old tree. It hinted at a hidden treasure at the top of the tallest tree in the jungle. Excited, the Jungle Pals embarked on a high-flying adventure. Benny climbed with ease, while Eddie and Rocky worked together to lift Tina. Polly flew ahead, scouting the safest routes. Chapter 6: The Treasure Hunt. Reaching the top of the tree, they found an old chest filled with golden bananas, rare fruits, and a shiny medal. The medal read, "To the best friends in the jungle." They realized the treasure wasn't just the items but the fun and memories they made together. Chapter 7: The Jungle Festival. To celebrate their adventure, the Jungle Pals organized a jungle festival. Animals from all over the jungle came to join the fun. There were games, music, and lots of delicious food. Benny and Polly's comedy act had everyone in stitches, and Rocky's strength contests amazed the crowd. Tina and Eddie shared the story of their treasure hunt, emphasizing the importance of friendship and teamwork. Chapter 8: The End of a Wacky Day. As the sun set, the Jungle Pals gathered around a campfire. They reflected on their day's adventures and the bond that made them the best of friends. They laughed about the muddy riverbank, Slinky the snake, and their daring climb. With a content sigh, Benny declared, "There's no adventure like a wacky adventure with friends." Message: The Wacky Adventures of the Jungle Pals is a fun-filled story that teaches children the value of friendship, teamwork, and enjoying life's adventures. Through the humorous and exciting exploits of Benny, Tina, Rocky, Polly, and Eddie, kids learn that the best memories are made with friends by their side. The story emphasizes that working together and having fun can turn any challenge into a delightful journey.